Puerto Rico's energy grid isn't just outdated, it's costing millions in lost productivity, stalled innovation, and rising operational risk. But what if the solution isn't political, it's industrial? The average Puerto Rican business experiences over 40 hours of power interruptions annually. That's not just inconvenient, it's a strategic liability. For manufacturers, pharma, and medtech, downtime means lost batches, broken SLAs, and reputational damage. Forward-thinking companies are bypassing the grid altogether. From Aguadilla to Caguas, industrial leaders are investing in microgrids, solar redundancy, and AI-powered load balancing. Not because it's trendy, because it's profitable. A 2 MW Solar Plus battery system can pay for itself in under 4 years. With Act 60 incentives and federal grants, the real cost of energy independence is lower than most CFOs realize. And the upside? Operational continuity, ESG wins, and long-term cost control. This isn't just about power, it's about control. Industrial leaders who invest now will shape Puerto Rico's energy future. Those who wait risk being left behind. Want the full blueprint? Subscribe to the Energy Advantage. Next up, how to build a resilient energy stack for under $500K without waiting on PREPA.